When the screenplay was complete and every scene was etched in detail, the dialogues were being written. Manmohan Desai was supercharged. He knew he had a super hit on hand. He always said, if you're convinced with the script, the audience will also be convinced. But if you are even slightly doubtful, don't make the film. It will bomb at the box office. He had another strong point. He was a terrific orator. The way he could narrate a script, believe me, nobody could. Amitabh ji also used to come just to hear how he used to narrate a script. He had the full confidence, but just to hear his narration. He called up Rajesh Khanna and he told him, come over. I want you to hear the entire screenplay. Rajesh Khanna had heard a few scenes and was very impressed. Manmohan Desai narrated the script and Rajesh Khanna was blown away. A, because he was working with a super hit director. B, he did not have that many hits to his credit. They were just average films. Some did well, some did average. But most of all, a double role with him being in the single frame of the film, barring a few scenes, whether it was the good man or the bad man, the good guy being Bhola, the bad guy being Ranjit. He said, Manmohanji, I am so supercharged. I want to shoot immediately. Dad said, wait, let's sit for a few weeks and flesh out the character. I want you to look as two different people. The face being the same, the body structure being the same. But as actors, they should look two different people. And he did it. Bhola genuinely looks like the simpleton who comes from the village, and Ranjit looks that harat admi who cigarette pike, he throws it, and his style of speaking is totally different. Kudos to him, hats off to Rajesh Khanna for this performance. As the initial shooting of Sachcha Jhutha started, on the other hand, the producers had a tough time trying to sell the film. There were distributors coming, but they wanted the film at the lowest price, and the producers wanted a fair price. There was a lot of haggle. What to do? There was a particular set in the film, the biggest set, the main house of the negative Rajesh Khanna called Ranjit. The producers said, look, we can't spend that kind of money because we are not getting kind of recovery from distributors. So what Manmohan Desai did was, he said, this is my remuneration. I said, yes. He just cut it by half. Use my remuneration to put up the set. And to give Rajesh Khanna his credit, he said, Manmohanji, because you have made this move, take out my remuneration also. Make it in half. But let's put up a great set. And a great grand set was put up to the satisfaction of the director and the actor. But as tables turned, see how fate plays a part. Rajesh Khanna's film released. It was called Aradhna, and the tables turned. He became a super duper star overnight. And the same distributors who were shying away from the film, more than a dozen distributors were there for one territory each. They were willing to pay triple the price. And that's how the producers sold the film at a phenomenal amount. And that's how they were able to make Sachcha Jhutha on a grand scale. After the lead pair was cast, there was another important role. A role of a CBI officer who goes undercover. Manmohan Desai was frazzled. He was trying to rack his brains as to who's to cast in this role. Till somebody told him. He said, there is a new boy who's come into the film industry. His name is Vinod Khanna. Why don't you meet him? My father met him, and as he spoke to him for 5-10 minutes, he realized this is the man for the role. Vinod Khanna was tall, handsome, flamboyant, and a tremendous screen presence. My father, being very honest, told him, he said, look Vinod, this is not a wrong role, but it is a meaty role. it will give you a tremendous impact on screen. If you like to do it, I would be very happy. Vinod Khanna jumped at the chance. He said, Manji, I'm really willing to do this. I want to work with you. And that's how Vinod Khanna came in the film. After this shot was given, as I said, everybody was stunned. My father spoke with the action coordinator. He said, let's restructure this action sequence again. This man will be able to do most of the shots himself. So they told him, he said, we are doing this. He said, Manji, I'd be happy to do it. So he said, how did you manage this? He told him, my father, he said, Manji, from school to college, I have been a gymnast. I have done parallel bars, Roman rings, and so many other things that a gymnast would do. I'm a martial arts expert. I know boxing, so I'm basically very fit and very trained. My father was thrilled on hearing it. So he said, look, we have restructured the action sequence. See what you can do and see what you can't. He saw how it was done. And he said, Manmohanji, for me it's a piece of cake. Every shot I'm going to give you. For example, he runs, two gangsters he holds, does a complete somersault and jumps onto the third gangster and goes down with him. It was unbelievable. The way this man did it. I mean, you see the fight on screen. It has a 10 times more impact than what it would be if it was done by a double. Let me tell you of a very interesting episode that happened during the making of this film. This pertains to Vinod Khanna. The scene goes that baby Naz, who plays Rajesh Khanna's sister, she comes from the village to the city to look for her brother. Great. She approaches a few ruffians, one who's playing the flute, and asks him, Bhaiya, do you know where my brother Bhola stays? They wink at each other and they decide, since she is on crutches, physically handicapped, they could take advantage of her. They say he stays there. So they take her to a slope with lot of bushes and lot of greenery where they feel they won't be seen. As she goes down, they push her and start molesting her. She screams for help. There's no one to hear her. Finally, she screams louder and we see Vinod Khanna's jeep passing by. He stops and he sees that they are molesting her. He gets down and he slides down the slope and catches the gangster and beats him up. Great. So what's so great about that? The thing is that Vinod Khanna did the stunt himself. Most of you who know that the location is from Hanging Gardens, Malabar Hill, a slope which goes down to Kemp's Corner. On the right are these trees and foliage. Would you believe the slope is so steep? The action choreographer asked him, he said, do one thing, Vinodji, just give me the cue or the movement or the action that you're going to jump, and then I'll get a duplicate or a stuntman to do this for you. And then after that, you can resume your action, get up and beat the gangster. He asked the choreographer, the action master, why a duplicate? Why not me? I'll do the stunt myself. So he says it's impossible to do because it's a steep slope and there's a lot of gravel and, as I said, twigs and thorns and all. He said, leave that to me. I'll do it. They placed the cameras in such a way that one could follow Vinod Khanna, the other, it is close. In an action sequence, they usually use two cameras. They said, action. In a safe movement, the jeep came, he gets down and he slid down the slope, he jumps and goes. Believe me, he went like a bullet. He went there, on the ground, got up and beat the gangster. This was all in one shot. Everybody was stunned. He had done the shot himself. But the pity was that the cameras couldn't catch him. He went like a bullet. So they sheepishly looked at my father and said, sir, we couldn't follow him. Now how do you tell him to do it again? So while they were discussing, he came up and he said, how was the shot, sir? I hope I was okay. He said, you were great, but we couldn't capture you in the camera. So he said, I'll do it again. He said, no, we don't want you to do it again. It was very nice of you. He said, no, sir, I'll do it 10 times. That's my job. He did the same thing, the same shot again. The cameras were placed in a different angle, and would you believe it? Seeing was believing. They canned the shot and everybody clapped. He was still confused as to why are they clapping. I just did a very simple thing. But it added so much of effect to the scene. Would you believe it? I still say Vinod Khanna is one of the best action heroes ever to hit the Indian film industry.